Omo divine mercy.
Mother na forever. Omo divine mercy. Ongwa gano nti.
Ase ko solum kele chukwu ni omo chukwu me last 2 weeks Sunday. I bele last 2 weeks Sunday for the Sunday program. I make it okay bele. After ka na kwade gbas. System eche ga bele. Na kwado na ase onye m na gbati aka n'ụzọ osi ya. Ana m na azụ kanopi ebe. Nwa m nwoke a na-alahụ ụlọ. Mgbe a na-eme ekpere.
Nwatakịrị nwoke okwu n'aka. Mmadụ kpọpụta ya.
Ọ na-alahụ ụla. Ekwunye ya n'aka n'azụ uche. Emegide ekpere niile a na-eme. After ka emechara ekpere, asị gbatị aka n'ụzọ esi ahụ. Akwụrụ m ọtọ. Ka m gbatị aka. Nne nwa m kwụ n'aka anya. Mkpọrọ anya black ya pụọ. Chedo anya n'elu na edi. Si Jizọs. Kemgbe si wee mụọ nwa, ihe ọdịda adọbeghị. Ibi na ụmụ niile mụ, ihe ọdịda a na-adọ. Onwe ihe na-eme ya. Ibi na esicha m rice oricha ada Sunday before anyị adị m. Ha akwadozi ịgbasa. Nwata esi ntụ a chedo anya n'elu, gbatị aka. Ụkwụ ya niile agbata. Listen, go like this. Na aka go like this.
For the benefit of ndị ada, wait. For the benefit of ndị ada know Igbo, listen. For the benefit of those who doesn't hear Igbo. Last 2 weeks Sunday, she came here with this baby. How old is he?
2 years and 9 months.
2 years and 9 months. I was here preaching. This little boy ran all the way from the gate. So many of you that was here saw him. He ran through the gate with his 2 legs. Now, towards the end of the program, at the end of the program, stretch your hands towards the gate. This baby turned to another thing. Her black eyes went inside. Just white. The mother could not explain what is wrong with this son. Continue.
So, when boy chidebere, calling
her name.
I can say, then I listen to them. A woman military and on the corner. There was a million why I can why I need.
Still to no avail. Her mother is trying everything. I don't know what was happening. Her mother was trying everything to revive this son. Nothing is happening. The boy is going out. Continue.
And then I put away a woman now, assemble. A Russian,
she has no option.
Sister John, come here, name me assemble. Someone I am, son or I am, nobody name. Even though the channel, you
can imagine, after eating, she finished eating and was playing with his brothers and sisters here. When she brought this boy to me, I asked her, any trace of malaria? No. Typhoid? No. Convulsion? No. Nothing. All of a sudden, she carried this boy into my hands. Continue.
So, please, dear queen sister, or she sent the worker with the oil, not pure water. It was the
hold it. When I carried this boy, his body was no longer moving. He was getting cold in my hands. Right from her legs. Sorry, right from his legs, he was getting cold. The people here, the neighbor was okay. His body was getting cold. His hands were stiffing. Those who watch the video will see it. I was confused. I have no other option. I carried this boy straight to this altar. Continue.
So my sister makes the
a lifeless boy.
Everybody man the workers so young and telling you boss around. It does it getting to 1 hour before mama did 2 men.
Oh, what I tell you, my dear, this is the boy. Today, Moses, get me a chair. I want to ask a question here. Mama, you're the mother-in-law. You are with me. Good. No, sit down. Mama, sit down. Mama, I want to ask you a question with the microphone. In your lineage, there were traces of convulsion. And were traces of epilepsy. Is there any trace of epilepsy or convulsion? No. And this boy was not suffering from malaria or typhoid or any disease at all? No. Nothing. Nothing. Just the spirit of death visited. The scripture says, the enemy came to kill and steal, but God has given us abundance of life. Why I was asking them this question, but let it not be like as in the miracle was framed. Let it not be like it was staged. Now you will ask me, for how long did we taught this boy how to do that thing, do that magic that he did here on that Sunday? This boy was lifeless. Lifeless. And through the power of divine mercy before this altar, I have no other option. I have no place to run to. The resurrection oil and the water. That's the you all here can testify. No other thing. You all here are witness. Resurrection oil and resurrection and water. I began to pray. I cried my eyes out. Father, do not allow me to be put to shame. That is the God. This is the God. How are you? How are you? No, I didn't do that. Okay, I pray for everybody here. May the spirit of death never locate you. May the spirit of death never locate you. Every premature death will run away from your house in the name of Jesus. You will not cry over your family. You will not cry over your husband. You will not cry over your children. In the mighty name of Jesus.